Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 1.2. Before we start the exercise, let us discuss some concepts related to exercise 1.2. First of all, empty sets. नाम से भी पता चल रहा है empty, खाली. इसको null set भी बोलते हैं. इसको void set, meaning is same, empty, null और void. क्या होते हैं? The set which doesn't contain any element means doesn't contain any element. कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं हो सेट में, उसको हम बोलते हैं एम्प्टी सेट, नल सेट या वॉइड सेट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय 5 और like this. This is set and it is empty, or by this symbol. For example, A is a set X such that X belongs to natural number and X is less than 2 and greater than 1. X क्या है? Natural number. Condition 1 से बड़ा और 2 से छोटा. तो 1 और 2 के बीच में natural number होगा कोई? No, it's not possible. It means this set is empty set. क्योंकि नंबर लाइन पर नेचुरल नंबर 1 और 2 इनके बीच में कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. That's why this set is empty. One more example. Suppose we have a set X such that X square is equal to X square minus 2 equals to 0. And X belongs to Q. Q means what? Rational number. When we solve this, X square minus 2 equals to 0, X square equals to 2, and the value of X is plus minus square root of 2. Is it a rational number? No, it is not a rational number. It means the value of X is not rational, but X belongs to rational number. It means this B set is also an empty set. ये भी empty set है. Okay. Second point. Finite or infinite sets. Finite means जिसको हम काउंट कर सकें. Infinite uncountable, जिसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते. तो when we define finite and infinite, so we can say that the set which is empty or consists of definite number of elements. Set which is empty or consists of definite number of elements. Definite number of elements. तो definite means जिसको काउंट कर सके, फिक्स हो. अगर कोई सेट इसके एलिमेंट आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? इनफाइनाइट सेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, A is a set contain element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. काउंट कर सकते हैं, डेफिनेट है. तो दिस इज फाइनाइट सेट. इसी सेट को अगर हम चेंज कर दें और वी विल राइट लाइक दिस, set is same but condition is changed. The last number is 5, so we can count these numbers. and this is the symbol of infinity. Infinite numbers हैं, 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. ये क्या है? सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर. ये भी सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, लेकिन ये क्या है? इसका लास्ट नंबर आपको नहीं पता. डोंट नो द लास्ट नंबर. इट मीन्स these are uncountable, and since these are uncountable, so this set is infinite. Okay, तो ये फाइनाइट, ये इनफाइनाइट. अब कंडीशन ये है कि जितने भी फाइनाइट सेट होते हैं उनको आप रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि वो काउंटेबल है, लेकिन इनफाइनाइट नंबर में ऐसा नहीं होता. तो ऑल इनफाइनाइट सेट्स कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्राइब्ड इन रोस्टर फॉर्म. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल इनफाइनाइट सेट्स can't be described in roster form. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज नोट डाउन. Set of real numbers x such that x is a real number. It is a set, and this is the set builder form. अब इसको रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. तो all numbers, natural, whole number, integer, all are rational. All irrational numbers and rational numbers combined together forms real number. तो रियल नंबर में कोई फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं है. कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, कैसे लिखेंगे, कुछ नहीं पता आपको. इट मीन्स वी डोंट हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न टू राइट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस सेट, एंड this type of set is what? Infinite. So when the set is like this, so we can't write this in the roster form. क्यों? क्योंकि it doesn't follow any particular pattern. Okay? Now, equal sets. Equal sets. The sets which have exactly same elements, sets having exactly same elements. Order may be different. Order may be different. Okay, and this type of sets are denoted by, suppose A and B are sets, so we can write A equals to B. So when the two sets are equal, we will write set A equal to set B. For example, A 1 2 3 4, B 2 3 1 4, C 3 4 1 2, D 2 2 1 3 4. Look at these four sets. All right. Elements of set A are 1 2 3 4. Elements of set B are 1 2 3 4. Elements are same. Order is different. Third, 1 2 3 4 again, the elements are same. Now look at D. In this 1 2 3 4, but 2 repeats twice. 2 दो बार repeat हो रहा है. Then also this is equal to A, B and C. So we can say that A equal to B equal to C equal to D. It means two sets are or more sets are said to be equal if they are having exactly same elements. Order may be different. One more thing, if more element repeats, then also the set is same. इसके एलिमेंट्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि रिपीटिशन जब करते हैं तो काउंट कितनी बार करते हैं? एक ही बार काउंट करते हैं. तो वी कैन से दैट ऑल दीज फोर सेट्स आर इक्वल. नाउ इक्विवेलेंट सेट्स. इक्विवेलेंट सेट्स. इक्वल सेट में क्या होता है? एग्जैक्टली सेम एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. इसमें एलिमेंट सेम नहीं होंगे, सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट. तो इफ two or more sets are having same number of elements, same number of elements, then the sets are called equivalent sets. For example, I am writing A, B, C, D, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, B, D, A, D, 2, 3, 4, 1. Look at set A and set B. Set A contains 4 elements. Set B also contains 4 elements. So these types of sets are called equivalent sets. कितने एलिमेंट हैं? 4. इसमें कितने एलिमेंट हैं? 4. Number of elements are same, so they are called equivalent sets. Look at A and C. The elements are exactly same, so we can say A and C are equivalent as well as equal. Same. Look at B and D. Elements are exactly same, so these two sets are equal as well as equivalent. So all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets need not to be equal. ये दोनों equal sets हैं, equivalent भी हैं. ये दोनों equivalent हैं, लेकिन equal नहीं. हो भी सकते हैं, लेकिन not necessary. But all equal sets are equivalent because they contain same number of elements. Okay. Now we will discuss some questions of exercise 1.2 and they are related to these concepts. So we will deal with some questions. The exercise is very easy. First of all, I am taking a start from question number 1. Exercise 1.2. First question. Which are examples of null set? Some examples are given. We have to identify the null sets from the given sets. I am taking first one. Set of natural number. Question number 1, first part. Set of natural numbers. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Natural numbers divisible by 2. Okay? So the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. So it contains some element. It is not empty. It means it is not a null set because the elements it contains are 2, 4, 6 like this. So this is a set which contains some elements and the elements are infinite. So this is infinite set. So it is not a null set. Right? Come to second. X such that X is a natural number. Is a natural number and condition is x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. This is the condition. Natural number है, लेकिन condition क्या है? Less than 5. This is 5 and this is 7. Less than 5 means towards this side and greater than 7 means towards this. So the number which are less than 5 and greater than 7. क्या कोई नंबर ऐसा पॉसिबल है जो 5 से छोटा और 7 से बड़ा हो? Not possible. So this set is null set. क्योंकि इसमें कोई एलिमेंट होगा ही नहीं. Now come to fourth. This is third part. Now come to fourth. Y such that y is a point common to any parallel lines. Any parallel lines. क्या है? Common point. किसके लिए? Parallel lines. ये parallel lines है. क्या ये intersect करेंगी? नहीं. Intersect नहीं करेंगे तो common point होगा? नहीं. So they don't have any common point. So this set is also null set. First one is not. Third is null set. Fourth is null set. Now come to question number 2. In this we have to identify the sets are finite or infinite. I am taking two parts, first and second. The first part is the set of months of a year. The set of months of a year. In a year we know that there are 12 months. So they are countable. So it is finite set. It is finite set. Second, the set is 1, 2, 3 like this. This is the set of what? Natural number. But this shows infinity. They are infinite. They are uncountable. So this is infinite set. Okay, children? Now come to question number 5. Which pair of sets are equal? Some pair of sets are given and we have to identify which pairs are equal. So look at first part. In this there are two sets A and B. Set A is 2, 3 means contain only two elements. Set B is X such that X is solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. This is very simple. It is given in the roster form. So we will write the set B also in the roster form. इसके आप factor करेंगे तो x plus 2, x plus 3 equals to 0. When x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. When x plus 3 equals to 0, x equals to minus 3. So these two are the solution. It means set B contains minus 2 and minus 3. क्या दोनों equal है? No. Equivalent है, लेकिन equal नहीं. तो clearly A is not equal to B. So these are not equal. Come to second part. Again two sets are given. Set A, X such that X is a letter of word. X such that X is the letter of word wolf or follow. So first one is follow. F-O-L-L-O-W. Right? So when we write this set in the roster form, we will write what? F-O-L, L repeat कर रहा है, उसको एक ही बार लिखना है, इसको नहीं लिखना है. Again, O repeat हो रहा है, इसको भी नहीं लिखना है. Then W. So these four letters form set A. So this is the roster form. Now come to B. B set is X such that X is the letter of word wolf. इसको भी आप रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखिए WOLF. नाउ चेक सेट एंड A and B. F देखिए दोनों में है OOLLWW. तो all the elements of set A are equal to the elements of set B. The order is different. So these two are equal sets. So in this way you can do the rest of the questions. They are very easy. I hope आपको कोई डाउट नहीं होगा इसमें. फिर भी कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.